So ideally, we would want to measure the car, calculate the wiring length, and make a proper plan. But instead, we ball. I literally drove like 10 minutes for this shot, so you better freaking subscribe. So to get started, we need painter's tape, lights, an inverter so that it can connect and power to my car, or a power bank. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's painter's tape. Where's the painter's tape? But we did not get the painter's tape. We got Girl Scout cookies. It's been 2 hours, and all I have to show for it is this painter's tape and Girl Scout cookies. So we're gonna start from the inside of the car, and then we're gonna route it outside of the car. Oh no. Like here, type of thing. Let's see if it closes. Type. Oh my goodness. Are you serious, dude? Dirty freaking car. If I don't clean the car, it's gonna stay dirty as heck the entire Ramadan, because how am I supposed to wash the car if there's lights all around it? I might just have to pay for that membership. Bro, what the heck? My poor Shayla. So I watched a video of somebody who did this, and literally they pretty much closed themselves because they put the lights over this and then they weren't able to open the door. What they basically had to do, bro, is this. I'm not gonna do that. So what I am gonna do is this. I ran the lights through the bottom and left a little slack right here so that the doors can open. Engineer type.
What the heck is wrong with you? What the heck is that?
You scared me. Yeah, that was freaking embarrassing. My wife walked in and I fell out of my chair. But anyways, let's get started with this project. All right, let's get started. No. No. It actually damaged the paint. This flimsy ass freaking thing. Why do I keep thinking that maybe it'll still turn on? Wait, maybe? Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah, bro. Now, if you don't know, Ramadan is the month where we fast from the moment the sun rises up until the sun sets. Basically, there's no food, no water, no cussing, no fighting, or getting into heated arguments. Basically, we stay away from anything that's bad so that we can build a habit of learning how to control ourselves.
I don't need it. I don't need it.
But the main reason we fast is to ultimately get closer to God and build a stronger relationship with Him. Also, there's a lot of people who can't afford food and they have no choice but to fast. So it kind of gives us a taste of how they feel and allows us to be a little bit more grateful for our situation, so that at the end of Ramadan, we donate money to them. Plus, bro, the food hits so much different when you haven't eaten all day. In all honesty, bro, please comment, like, and subscribe so freaking somebody can actually send me a real tripod. If you have a dream, you have an idea, you have a vision, think it would look cool, you think it would be nice, just do it. Because if it doesn't work out, cool. But if it does work out, it's pretty nice.
Are you taking a video?
What?
Are you taking a video?
Yeah, you want to see what I'm doing?
Dang.
Yeah. What do you think? You think it's a genius idea or you think it's stupid?
No, it's good.
You want to see it on?
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it is. Oh, you make YouTube videos?
Yeah.
What's your channel? If it's not focused, I'll just edit it in there. Can I get one piece of tape?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I didn't imagine that I would do this.
I didn't imagine that I would have someone helping me. And you seem cool too. We're gonna do either a V-Bucks or a Roblox giveaway, okay? But to enter, you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to subscribe to his channel, and then comment down below something, and then he's gonna pick the winner.
Okay, bet.
You'll get a card, and then you pick somebody else who will get a card.
Only one?
Ain't no way he just said that. Okay, fine, 2 winners, whatever. So quick update on the car. Oh my God. If any brand is watching this, bro, please send me a tripod. Anyways, guys, we got the lights here, and this side is basically done. Little bro had to go, which is okay, but bro, he actually helped out so much. He's such a bright kid, man. Honestly, subscribe to him. Okay, he told me he's gonna make more videos. So this freaking intruder scared my wife, so you already know I had to raise her up by being the knight in shining armor. You record it and I'll try to capture it. Pokemon, come here. Such big legs, I don't want to break them. Bismillah. Habibi. Is it on me? Is it on me? Is it on me? My MacBook. Bro.
You need to be careful.
You need to be careful. He needs to be careful. He can't try to kill me. The stuff I do for you. See, recorded this, put the camera on me. Part of being a man is not, fix it. Part of being a man is not yelling or screaming like a little girl like I just did. Part of being a man is that although you're scared, you still go. You still do what you need to do, right?
Yeah.
I'll get the box later. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Ain't you looking nice? Yes, sir. We wrapped the headlights, and then I also wrapped this badge, and we wrapped this headlight. And mashallah, my barak, bro, this thing, it just keeps going, bro. Everything so far has been literally just this. And so to power everything up, we're gonna plug this inverter right into the car's, whatever this thing is called, bro. So what's cool about this inverter is that it has these 2 outlets as well as USBs, and it has a fan. All right, let's plug it in and see if the car blows up. Honestly, before we do that, I'm gonna plug the second one also. Bro, I'm just scared right now. Bro, what on earth, bro? Why are they so freaking close together, bro? Goofy engineer. No, like actually, bro. Who engineered this? Okay, I have an an idea on how I can fix this, but no, I don't think anyone on YouTube has done this. So I'm actually like, wallahi, I'm actually scared. I'm thinking to attach this to the inverter so that I have all these separate outlets. Nah, bro, this is freaking stupid. Wallahi, I'm actually scared to turn the car on. What the heck is this contraption? Okay, so I want to put lights in my car. I have this inverter that's red, and I also have an extension thing that I plugged into it, and then we'll plug my 2 light sources in that, and then plug everything in my car via the inverter. Is this safe? Yes, it's generally safe. All right, bet. All right, chat, this is the moment of truth. Bismillah. Okay, let's turn it on. Oh. Alhamdulillah. Wallahi, I was so scared, bro. I'm a genius, bro. I'm about it. You know what? There's other things I can add. Holy crap. Crap isn't holy. Oh my goodness. Even though it's not done yet, I really want to show you guys how it looks so far. Yo! All right, let's get back to work so we can take this thing on the road and get some solid reaction. All right, guys, it's pretty much done. This little thing filled everything up, bro. And I still have another one. I missed a little spot here. There's one last thing that I'm gonna put right over here. And I kind of got it up there now. Let's see what it looks like. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, bro, the tape. You can see the tape. Holy smokes. Here she is, boys. Okay, so it's pretty much time for us to take this thing out and actually get reactions. But here's the issue. I'm gonna get rid of all of this crap. Let me use this as my light. I'm gonna get rid of all of this freaking crap right here. And what I'm gonna do instead is this. So basically, it's not gonna be connected to the car anymore. It's gonna be powered by this, which means the car can be turned off. And I can be all the way back here recording, you know what I'm saying? Also, guys, check out what I got, bro, from the dollar store. It's a Subaru BRZ. It's basically my car. It's safe to say that the Subaru is really carrying this whole project on his back. Check it out, bro. It's actually kind of cool. Heal your inner child. Good boy. This itsy bitsy thing, bro. Always the itsy bitsy stuff, bro. But mashallah, my brother, they be having a lot of barakah. Just like me. Just like you. Okay, here's the second one. I've been through this before in my life. Hi. Bismillah. Bingo was his name. Oh, so this powers the USBs. What does that do? Oh, there's another light. That's kind of cool. And then this is the... Hey, you're kind of bright.
Because I graduated the 6th grade. Only took 3 years.
Oh, yeah, and I have so much more light. And I'm thinking of doing the interior. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And now that everything is done, let's go get those reactions. I know you're just as excited as I am to sit. Nah, I just honestly, that was so much easier.
Mango. Is that your car?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks really nice.
Appreciate you.
Are those just lights?
I mean, they're not lights. I'm just joking, guys. That's my wife. I did actually get some insane reactions, but you know how embarrassing and rude it is when somebody talks to you about the car that you tell them, wait, can you pause for a second? Just give me 1 second, okay? Okay. I promised you reactions, and reactions is what I'm going to give you, okay? So I basically put the camera on top of the car, and I pretty much just walked away to avoid absolutely any confrontation.
So cute. They even have a camera. It's Ramadan. That's cute.
So what's funny about this is that you see them right there, right? And then look at this. I'm watching them right here. What a weirdo. Bro, I've never broken this many necks in my life, bro. And then this guy, I don't know if he thought he was slick, bro. I don't know if he knew that the flashlight was on. He liked it so much that he did a second lap. Shout out to my boy.
Who did this? Huh? Who did this? I did it. It took me like 3 days. Oh, okay. This is
You scared the jeepers out of me.
That's pretty cool.
Have you seen where they have all like the paint damage, like how it's damaged the paint? What is this? Ramadan.
What a relief.
I hope you guys liked this video. It took me like entire 2 weeks. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next.